Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your CPU and GPU actually support hardware acceleration, and update GPU drivers to the latest official release. Once done, install or update Davinci Resolve and fully restart Windows so drivers settle. You should also close apps that hog the GPU, and if your machine uses both integrated and discrete graphics, enable the integrated GPU in BIOS, and note which card Resolve will use for decoding and encoding. Next, open Davinci Resolve Preferences and go to GPU configuration. Pick CUDA for NVIDIA, Metal for Mac, or OpenCL for AMD, then select the correct GPU device. Once set, go to Project Settings and the Deliver page to enable hardware decode/encode options for H264 and H265. This is what speeds exports. Also change your operating system power plan to high performance and turn off GPU power saving in the Finalize by testing. Open a small project, verify real-time timeline playback, and run a short export to confirm the hardware encoder is being used. If acceleration still fails, perform a clean GPU driver install or roll back to a known good version, clear Resolve caches, and reset the UI layout. Make sure to inspect Resolve logs and a GPU monitoring tool for errors, and if nothing works, switch to software decode temporarily while you continue troubleshooting or consult a system-specific forum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.